Raindrops fall the city sighs. Gray skies painted lullabies. A gentle drizzle whispers in the breeze, unfolding stories, secrets that freeze. And as the world slows down its pace, we find our solace in this embrace. A moment's calm, tender grace. In one rain's dance, we find our place. Warm rain cares and hearts with ease. Lost in its rhythm, we find release. Love's subtle touch like drops from above. In warm rain, we bathe in the glow of love. The streets glisten with the liquid sheen, reflecting dreams we've yet to glean. Let soft drops tap on window panes. A serenade of love remains. And as the world slows down its pace, we find our solace in this embrace. A moment's calm, tender grace. In one rain's dance, we find our place. Warm rain cares and hearts with ease. Lost in its rhythm, we find release. Love's subtle touch like drops from above. In warm rain, we bathe in the glow of love. Wrapped in your arms, our spirits intertwine. The warmth of your touch like the rain divine. With every drop, emotions run deep. In this gentle downpour, our love we keep. Raindrops speak in whispers rare. A love so tender beyond compare. With every note of love untold. A melody of feelings our hearts unfold. And as the world slows down its pace,